सो विमेन क्राइम के बारे में मैं थोड़ा रिसर्च करना शुरू किया तो रियलाइज किया कि बहुत कम विमेन क्रिमिनल्स हैं, बट जो है वो बड़े खतरनाक है। तो हमने आपस में डिसाइड किया कि हम विमेन क्रिमिनल पे किताबें लिखें। मैं तो सबको ही बोलता हूँ, मैं और सुशांत दोनों बोलते हैं कि इस किताब को आप रात को मत पढ़ना।
Really?
क्योंकि आपको बहुत डर लगेगा।
शादी के बाद मत पढ़ना।
और नहीं, शादी के बाद बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ना, और गर्लफ्रेंड अगर आपकी हो तो बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ना, बिकॉज आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कि भाई लेडीज जो है, विमेन जो है, वो किस हद तक जा सकते हैं if they want to do something। मतलब बेसिकली व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू से इज दैट क्राइम इज जेंडर न्यूट्रल। दो तरह के क्रिमिनल्स होते हैं, एक तो प्लान्ड क्रिमिनल्स होते हैं जो प्लान करके क्राइम करते हैं, और कुछ होते हैं जो हीट ऑफ द मोमेंट में हो जाता है। तो इसमें कई क्रिमिनल्स जो है वो प्लान्ड क्रिमिनल्स थे, सो दे हैड अ क्रिमिनल बेंट ऑफ माइंड एंड दे वर evil people, and this is a very disturbing story. So I can just talk about this woman. We will not take real names from Jaipur.
Okay.
This young girl was about 26-27 year old. She was a call girl, though she used to think that she is not a call girl. She used to think that मैं सोसाइटी में जो शादीशुदा लोग कॉल गर्ल्स ढूंढते हैं उनके पैसे चुरा के मैं सोसाइटी का उद्धार कर रही हूँ। So she had put very.
That's an interesting notion and an escape thought for yourself.
उसको एक्सपेंसिव चीजों का बड़ा शौक था, लेकिन ज्यादा पैसे नहीं थे, तो वो उसने अपनी वेबसाइट बनाई हुई थी, उसमें अच्छी फोटोग्राफ्स डाली हुई थी, तो she used to put that trap for whatever age men who were looking for
young hunters
sex in Jaipur by paying money. She used to tell them 20,000 rupees and she used to call them at a 5-star hotel. एंड वो पहले पैसे ले लेती थी कि मैं अपनी ड्राइवर को देकर आती हूँ, तो वहां से भाग जाती, और कोई बंदा उसको पकड़ नहीं पाता था, लेकिन एक बंदा उसके पीछे पीछे भागा, और पीछे पीछे भाग के उसके पुलिस उसको पकड़ लिया और पुलिस स्टेशन पे ले गया। तो पुलिस में भी हमारे यहाँ पे लेडीज को गलत नहीं समझा जाता, तो पुलिस ने भी कुछ किया नहीं, उसको छोड़ दिया। सो दैट वाज, सो शी कंटिन्यूड विद हर क्राइम एंड शी सेज आई नो थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पीपल शी न्यू। एंड एक बार क्या हुआ, शी हैड अ बॉयफ्रेंड जो बॉम्बे से फेल्ड एक्टर था, वो उसके साथ रह रहा था। 1.5 लाख रुपए का किराए पे घर ले रखा है इन लोगों ने बॉम्बे में, जयपुर में रह रहे हैं। उस बंदे पे 10-12 लाख रुपए उधार था। तो इसने क्या किया, इसने उस ड्रग्स वगैरह ले रखे थे इन लोगों ने, लड़का लड़की ने, उस लड़के ने एक दोस्त को बुला दिया, और ये जो लड़का था ये अपने आप को कोई पंजाबी बंदा बोलता था, दिल्ली का, वेरी रिच गाय, बट एक्चुअली ही वाज फ्रॉम जयपुर, हर क्लाइंट। And she thought that his name is so and so, and she thought मैं इसको बुलाती हूँ, appears to be a rich guy, we will take photographs and make video and then we will blackmail him and take 10 lakh rupees. So she called him to her house, and he had already gone once or twice, and he was a married guy with a small kid. That's why I don't want to take names. He said goodbye to his child and wife and father, but he was going for this woman, and he stopped and bought condoms, and he bought whiskey, and he was a teetotaler, but he bought whiskey for the girl when he went there. But she had her friends, so she attacked him and they tied him up, and then they said, "ठीक है, you give us money and we'll leave you." So he said, "I've got no money. I'm a broke guy. मेरे पास 1 लाख रुपए भी नहीं है." तो फिर they got wild and they were already high on drugs, so they started searching his pocket. They realized that इसका तो नाम वो ही नहीं है, and then they realized he is married and he's got a wife and this bastard is here. So all that added to the fury of these people, and they strangulated him and they killed him. And then they threw the body, and but the police caught this girl and these two boys. And उसके बाद पुलिस ने इस लड़की से पूछा, तो वो एक इंटरव्यू है, बहुत चिलिंग इंटरव्यू है इस लड़की का। मतलब she doesn't consider herself to be a fault. She said, मेरे को पकड़ लिया, अब सोशल सर्विस कौन करेगा? ये जो शादीशुदा मर्द दूसरी औरतों से मजे करने के लिए घूमते रहते हैं, इनको कौन पकड़ेगा? And she's done crimes like, एक बार वो पकड़ी गई थी, ये जो एटीएम की वेल्डिंग मशीन, एटीएम की जो मशीन है, एक वेल्डर को लेके रात को उसको काट लिया था, भाग रही थी। तो this is about 3 or 4 years old case. I'm not really followed it, so I don't know what the situation is now, but these people were caught by the police, and these are the stories that came out in media and interviews, etc. So we thought this is an interesting case. We completed our research, and then we wrote the story. Similar disturbing stories are there, 9 more. Anybody interested can read it. I'm currently writing a book about positive police stories of police solving cases. I'm writing a book for HarperCollins. It's called Dial 100, and there are 10 stories in that. I've completed 3. No, 4. four and a half. So I think about another month I should be ready, and it should be coming out mid of next year. After which probably I'll write another war book.
Okay. So right now, something for positive police image that you
Yeah,
have taken up a responsibility for
people
it.
generally have this impression that all policemen are corrupt and all policemen are not worthy to be called policemen. But that is not the truth, because I've had some good experiences, and I think whomsoever has spoken, they've all have had good experiences. And we often neglect the fact that policemen paid very less, and we also neglect the fact that the police to population ratio is the
Well,
worst in India.
that police being paid less was a fact around 10 or 15 years ago. Right now, the pay scale has very much changed,
It
and
is
things have improved
it
in
is, yeah,
their
yeah, it is improved a little bit, but not that much. Not commensurate to the work that they do, the risk that they take. Also, the long hours that they have to put in. It's very common for a policeman to work for 12 hours shift. Now 12 hours is inhuman, because even the international regulation says that you have to work 8 hours or 24 hours, right? So working hours, salary, working conditions, risk, and on top of that, public is convinced that you're not okay. But despite all this, you will find some cases in which